Hello, my name is Paula and I am the owner of Lovelasering, a small laser engraving company based in South Wales in the UK. I first joined the LaserPecker team when I became a backer using the Kickstarter program during lockdown January 2021. I probably received the unit in about August. I started learning how to use the software, making designs, and then before you know it, I was asked by many family and friends to create gifts, personalisation. I initially bought it to help me save a bit of money to personalise gifts, but then it quickly developed into a small business. I was getting constant requests, and I thought everything I made, if I started listing, and my shop has gone from there. So my first machine started off as the LaserPecker 2, and I used that for almost 2 years solely, until recently I've just upgraded to the LaserPecker 4, which has enabled me to do more access materials such as metals and acrylics, things that I can really engrave on the LP2. And the most recent addition is the L1 Max, which is just newly out of the box, so it's yet to be in practice, but there's a lot to learn before we go ahead with that. Currently, I run my business through a small Etsy shop. I create designs on back of people's requests and then I'll list them. Just some of the things to point out is just things like this, gift card holders with a card can slot inside. One of the first things I wanted to do with my machine was to make something unique and make wooden photo cards. That was the main driver behind my purchase. So as you can see, it's something a bit unique. And then I just make lots of other things. So there's some new home gifts, new baby gifts, some wooden cake toppers, which is being done on the new LP4. You can see that. And then some slate engravings. Coasters always go down well. So over the past 2 years, I've built up a small business, which my main job is an aircraft engineer, but on the side I enjoy being creative, doing designs. So I started the lasering company, and now I'm at the stage where I have orders every single day, and hopefully the LaserPecker will generate what will be my main income. My main reason for backing the project was solely because how portable the machines are. It's just a case of pick up, put in my bag and go. My social life outside of work is going away in the motorhome, and it's quite important to me that I can work on the road. So being able to take the laser with me in the motorhome and work outside and just have a healthy work-life balance, it keeps my mind occupied, and also I'm able to complete customs orders on the go. So yeah, that was my main reason for joining LaserPecker, and as you can see, the family's expanding, and I'm looking forward to seeing what future products they bring out.